Whether a kiss is amazing or awkward, it can be hard to know how to respond afterward. If you are enjoying the kiss, try to relax and let it happen without planning what to do or say next. When the kiss ends, pull back slowly, make eye contact with your partner, and smile at them. If you're both feeling it, you might lean in for another kiss, or just sit and cuddle for a while. If it was a really passionate kiss, you can also turn up the heat by kissing them in other places, like their neck or shoulder, or by touching and caressing them in an intimate way, if they're okay with it. Another option is to tell them how you feel after the kiss. Say something like, "Wow, that was amazing. Can I kiss you again?" If the kiss is unwanted, step back confidently and tell the other person you aren't interested. Say something like, "I don't think this is a good idea," or "Please don't do that again." Excuse yourself and leave as soon as you can. If you feel comfortable enough, you can always have a talk with them later about what happened.